Here is a book, what we call the Quran. In it, this particular one here has an index, and if you open the index and open the subject Jesus, you'll be amazed. The word name Jesus occurs in this holy book of ours, in the text, no less than 25 times. The name Muhammad in this whole volume, only 5 times. Muhammad, supposed to be the author of this book, his name occurs in the whole book 5 times. The name Jesus, 25 times. There is a chapter in this book called Surah Maryam, means chapter Mary, in honor of the name of the mother of Jesus Christ. There is no chapter in this book in the name of Muhammad's mother, or his wife, or his daughter. But there is a chapter called Mary, Maryam, chapter 19. So it's quite an amazing thing. Amazing book this is. Speaking so much more about Jesus, about his birth. Muhammad's birth is not described. The birth of Jesus. We open the index and we begin this one here, Jesus, the righteous prophet, chapter 6 verse 85. His birth is described in 2 places, chapter 3 verses 45 to 47 and chapter 19 verses 23 onwards. And if I open and let you hear, I had done it to the Colway Association in Marriageburg, a group of Roman Catholics professionals, Colway Association. And when I read it to them, I also happened to be in Sidara, the Sidara Theological Seminary. And there I also opened this book of God and I read it to the students there. And they just can't seem to believe. I said, look, why don't you see it for yourself? It says, chapter 3 I'm starting. In Arabic this is what it sounds like. So, وَإِذْ قَالَتِ الْمَلَائِكَةُ يَا مَرْيَمُ, says, behold, the angel said, O Mary, إِنَّ اللَّهَ اسْتَفَاكِ وَطَهَّرَكِ وَاسْتَفَاكِ عَلَى نِسَاءِ الْعَالَمِينَ, that God has chosen thee and purified thee, chosen thee above the women of all nations. I'm reading the Quran, not the Bible, the Quran. Mary, the mother of Jesus, according to the Quran, is chosen above the women of all nations. Ya Maryam kunuti li rabbiki wasjudi warka'i ma'ar-raqi'in. So, O Mary, worship thy Lord devoutly. Prostrate thyself and bow down in prayer with those who bow down. Further down, verse 45. وَإِذْ قَالَتِ الْمَلَائِكَةُ يَا مَرْيَمُ, behold, the angel said, O Mary, إِنَّ اللَّهَ يُبَشِّرُكِ بِكَلِمَةٍ مِّنْهُ. Say, Allah gives you glad tidings of a word from Him. Ismuhul Masih, His name will be the Messiah. Same Hebrew word. Arabic is Masih, Hebrew Messiah. Ismuhul Masih, Washihan fi dunya wal akhirah, held in honor in this world and in the hereafter. وَمِنَ الْمُقَرَّبِينَ, and the company of those nearest to God. وَيُكَلِّمُ النَّاسَ, and he will speak to the people, fil mahdi wa kahlan, in childhood and in maturity. وَمِنَ الصَّالِحِينَ, and he shall be of the company of the righteous. When this good news is given to Mary, naturally she protests, saying, قَالَتْ رَبِّ أَنَّ يَكُونُ لِي وَلَدٌ وَلَمْ يَمْسَسْنِي بَشَرٌ. She said, oh my Lord, how shall I have a son when no man has touched me? The angel says in reply, قَالَ فَذَلِكِ لَمْ يَخْلُقُ مَا يَشَاءُ. See, even so, Allah creates what He wills. وَإِذَا قَضَى أَمْرًا, whenever He decrees a matter, فَإِنَّمَا يَقُولُ لَهُ كُن فَيَكُونُ. He merely says to it, be, and it is. This is the Muslim concept of the birth of Jesus. That for God to create anything, a Jesus, without a father, He has got to will it, and it can come to be. It is not necessary for God to take a seed and plant it by artificial insemination or any other method. He wills it, a Jesus without a father, just like that. A million Jesuses without father and without mother,